Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on February the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.12. And at this very point, my main assumption was that this asset broke this range of support, and it was retesting it from the bottom as the range of resistance. I told you that depending on the price action right after this retest happens, we can anticipate the next movement. And if it breaks it to the upside, the next touch of this sloping line should break this level as well. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, let me zoom in to show you more properly all the price action. We were at this point, we retested this level of resistance, went back a little bit, but then we broke it to the upside. And guys, as you can see, the breakout has quite substantial volume. On top of that, guys, I told you on my previous video that this sloping line was retested for at least 6 times. And the main rule of the ranges of supports and resistances is following. The more touches certain level of support or resistance has, the more likely it will be broken next time. And guys, take a look right here. We touched this range once right here, twice right here, 3 times at this point, next 4, 5, 6, and for the 7th time, we broke it to the upside. And it is a very good sign that potentially might lead to even more substantial movement to the upside. But everything I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and what price action we might have in upcoming weeks? I have to admit that we are still pretty much in nowhere's territory. We didn't, not we, but NIO didn't break this level of support. And by the way, this arrow shows you very interesting setup that was caught by me to the tick. Because guys, take a look right here. We were retesting this range of resistance. On top of that, guys, algo trade is quite easy trades because algorithms use just simple swing low and swing high 50% retracement, and they have a price target of negative 0.236. On the bear side, they have quite a similar setup. Swing high to swing low, you have to pull fib retracement tool. Next one, we have first range of accumulation from algorithms right here, and the second one is a golden pocket range. We had a confluence level, as you can see, confluence in between these two levels, and the price target was hit basically to the tick, negative 0.236. But for now, guys, we don't have quite similar setups, and it is quite obvious to basically to wait the better setup for the next trade. And let's take a look at fundamentals of NIO at this very moment, because it might be very useful for us to anticipate its next movement. So first of all, I want to pay attention that we don't have a lot of updates from analytic firms. The most recent one is, according to TipRanks, was made by Bank of America on February 13th, and to be honest, the consensus analyst price target is not so high. It is just 17.57% higher than the current price according to market bid, according to TipRanks, sorry. And about wait a second, I will show you from this point, about 21.31% higher according to market bid. But guys, take a look right here. The most recent update was made by Bank of America, and they reiterated their hold rating with a price target of $5. And it is not so high. From our current price, we potentially might have up to less than 15% of potential profit within the next 12 months. But at the same time, guys, let's take a look at more fundamental news related to NIO. And first of all, I want to pay attention to good news. Great Wall Motor plugs into NIO's charging network. And this is a very important step that potentially was the catalyst of NIO for the Friday's session. It says, Great Great Wall Motors is the 17th brand to have a charging service partnership with NIO. NIO currently has 2,665 supercharging stations in China, offering 12,334 chargers and 1,688 destination charging stations, offering 13,133 chargers. And guys, it is very good to see more and more partners who plugs into NIO's charging network, because it is a recurring revenue for NIO and definitely it improves their fundamentals. But at the same time, guys, take a look right here. The most important part of their business is definitely the deliveries of their vehicles. And right here we have the breakdown for models, for NIO models in the most recent months. And what do we have right here? Let's first of all let me pay your attention to the monthly deliveries of NIO. You can see that NIO delivered a substantially lower number of vehicles in January of this year, but previously they had quite substantial spike in December. And I told you in one of my previous videos that potentially they tried to hit their main goal of 220,000 vehicles delivered in the entire 2024, and they reached this target. But at the same time, guys, the next month is definitely not the best one. And again, if you try to find the average deliveries in between December and January, you can see that they are pretty much staying in line with their flat deliveries of slightly above 20,000 vehicles per month. And on the one hand, guys, it is a quite good number, but on the other hand, we have to see growth in this number in order to see more substantial price action, price movement of NIO's price. That is why, guys, be cautious with your fundamentals, because the main driver for NIO stock price is definitely their deliveries. And so far, guys, unfortunately, NIO doesn't perform very well. That is why, guys, it is in pretty much sideways movement for more than a month, because it had quite low volatility of about relatively low volatility of about 11% from the mid or from the end of January to present day. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what signs do we need in order to establish and in order to identify its next trend? First of all, guys, we have to see a substantial breakout above or below its crucial levels. And for now, crucial levels are pretty much the same. The top range is this one. It is at $4.45 or $4.5, but the lowest range is right here. Let me mark this channel a little bit longer. We have the range of about $4.02 as the range of support. And if this asset breaks these two ranges with the conviction of volume, and the next candle on the higher time frames will be opened and closed above or below these levels, this means at least in the short-term perspective we might identify its trend. And guys, to be honest, the more breakouts above its previous swing highs NIO has, the more certainty we have in its uptrend. But so far, guys, if we zoom out to let's say 3 hours time frame, let me show you like this, we are still in downtrend from the end of September of 2024. It didn't establish any higher highs and or higher lows on this scale. At the same time, guys, crucial level for NIO is this yellow line at $3.63. We have two touches of this range. First touch was made on April 19th of 2024, and the second touch was made right here on August the 5th. And if this level holds, guys, we still have a chance to see the breakout above its previous swing highs. But if NIO retests it and break it to the downside, unfortunately, the lower prices will be for much longer period of time. That is why, guys, for now, I cannot suggest you any trades on NIO. Just be patient, market will reveal itself. And I have to admit that you have to keep an eye on other, more volatile and quite easy identifiable trends on different assets in order to make some gains in next couple of weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only